Aye, to increase your accuracy, you really need to learn how to steer. How to steer past your fiber optic sight, over your bands, steer. Have a good idea of where they run beneath your eye. See your sight in your target, but stare past it and burn your focus sharply into your target. The same applies for a slingshot that doesn't have a fiber optic sight, but where you only aim with the corner of your slingshot. You've got to stare down your bands, have that in the target, but this needs to be the peripheral vision, and the target must be sharp and crisp in focus. So it doesn't matter if you have a slingshot with a fiber optic sight or just aiming with your corner, the same principle will apply. Steer down your bands, steer at the corner, burn your focus sharply onto the target. So the bands, the corner of the slingshot must be in your peripheral vision and the target focus. I'm going to be very sure to have this out of focus and only in my peripheral vision. Stare down the bands, look past the sight,